Yeah, listen, I got breaking news over here. By the way, you definitely get well soon, Will. I don't envision any complications here for you.
Well, we both have injuries here.
Oh, I got to broken.
Likewise.
I forgot about mine because I moved on to yours. Mm-hmm. Don't worry, I'm mending as well.
Yeah.
Listen, breaking news here. I think it's going to be our top story, actually. Elon Musk visits Tim Cook and Apple HQ and spills the beans on Twitter, telling everyone, I don't know, is this, has there been an olive branch extended here?
Wow.
I know this is a vague clip, but I think it's quite telling. Elon obviously has been back and forth on the Apple topic. Is he memeing is another question because, of course, self-identified meme lord at different times. However, he is definitely looking like he's at Apple HQ, teasing the little clip here and saying, thanks at Tim Cook for taking me around Apple's beautiful HQ.
Wow.
Positive signs. We didn't. You thought you've used the term war on this show.
I did, yeah. I thought it was going to start.
And would you look at that? Cooler heads prevail, or memeing, bull crap? Are you calling bull crap? Did he march over there? No, actually, look. Okay, let's examine the clip. He pans over. What do you see? Two shadows looking at the pond.
Yeah, is that Tim?
Elon holding the phone. Look at him as he pans, and then Tim right next to him.
How do you know it's Tim?
I know when I see a shadow of Tim.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know if it's Tim or not, but you got the tree, and I'm just looking at the reflection. I'm examining the clip. Will, what do you expect me to do? Get to the bottom. This is breaking news. It's 8 minutes ago. It's already got 350,000 views. You know, this is big, big stuff. People are starting to think about their investments, and Elon's companies and Apple's at 420,000. Now, this is breaking. It's what we do here.
Okay.
And you know what? And I'm just going to say this as well.
What?
In an age and in an era where it feels like beef is on every corner, around every turn, it's just beef, beef, beef. If they get things sorted and it's two men having a conversation in front of a beautiful pond, then I'm all for that, Will.
Yeah. I too. I don't like war.
Two beautiful men having a beautiful conversation.
Yeah.
Why don't you and I might do that.
Sure, yeah.
Although we're a little less beautiful today than we've been in the past with the injuries and such, although some may beg to differ. It may be character building stuff.
I think so.
Now, did they tell you would once again look like yourself at some point?
I hope so. They didn't say that.
They didn't say that, did they?
I'm hoping.
They didn't make any promises to you. Well, guess what? They didn't make any promises to me either. They said it only goes downhill from here.
Oh, boy.
They said that your best days are behind you. And I said, you know what? I understand that. And I accept that.
Okay.
And I said, you know what? I'm better for it.
Yeah. Lessons learned. Right?
I'm going to go have a party with Tim and Elon, and we're going to stare at a pond and talk about philosophical so on and so forth. You know, Rogers is calling me back. Rogers is my telecommunications company. And don't even get me started because I'm trying to get a hold of these guys. They go, you know what they said to me?
What?
It's shocking. You know what they said to me? I go on there because I've been trying to set up this installation. And I go on there and first of all, it's failed a couple times because the people arrive, there's a little he said, she said is what I would say about it. But I go on there to try to reschedule and they say, estimated wait time greater than 3 hours.
Oh, wow.
Greater than 3 hours.
Dude, you can't set anything up near Christmas.
Greater than 3 hours. What is greater than 3 hours? Just call us back. Just please hang up.
Yeah.
And try your call in a later date because greater than 3 hours, what is it? 5 plus minus 1? I know I'm ranting and raving, but I'll tell you what, everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody's had that experience. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, it's brutal.
Elon and Tim are best friends now. Tim loves Twitter. He doesn't want to let it go. He tweets every so often. He's got 14 million followers. Tim wants to squash it a little bit. He came out on November 24th and he said, Happy Thanksgiving. How else is Tim going to say that? He can't put out a press release on Apple's website. I don't think he's using Instagram, is he?
But why can't they take a picture together?
No, they got to be covert about it.
No? But Elon tweeted about it.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, here's the thing. Did Elon clear that with Tim before he posted it? Or was he being a little risky? Is Tim about to respond and say, hey, man, I didn't clear that footage?
Yeah, we got beef again.
And what are the talks about? Did they negotiate on the 30%? Did they talk about changes possibly that could happen at Twitter
And who invited who? Probably Tim, right?
Tim puts it out there.
Yeah.
Tim popped into the DMs and said, hey, listen here, you better get put some respect on my name. He probably said, you better get your name out your mouth. He probably said that. And then Elon was like, listen, hey, man.
You're paraphrasing.
He wanted obviously I'm goofing around. He said, hey, man, freedom. It's all about, that's it. That's what and then Tim said, I'm from Texas, dude. All right. You just moved to Texas. I'm from Texas.
Oh, yeah.
I might be in California now, but I know how to get down.
He won up Elon.
I'm privy to these conversations. Well, I don't know if you.
You should be the mediator.
Yeah, the three of us were in there. It's a group DM. Big implications here. They get along and all is beautiful, possibly, just like Apple's HQ. Apple starts spending a little bit more money advertising again on Twitter. Elon loves it. Elon says nice things about Apple, promotes their devices. I mean, I'm pretty sure he's an iPhone user, by the way, and all types of lovely integration with Tesla products. The phone's kind of important with your Tesla. I'm not going to lie. NGL on that. Okay.